If you want to hide photos and videos on iPhone 17, and then first of all we can go to the Photos app. Now over here in Photos, what you can do is, for example, you can tap on Select in the upper right corner and you can choose photos and videos that you wish to hide. So by doing so we can hide multiple items at once. So let's say I'm gonna choose this video and these two photos. Now the next thing that you need to do is tap on these three dots on the upper side of the screen right next to the cancel button, and then we have the hide option, and then confirm that you want to hide these items. There we go. You can also open a single photo or video, and you should be able to tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and here we also have the hide option, so you can just hide a single photo or a single video instead. If you want to find it, you want to go to collections, and if you scroll down into utilities, you should be able to find hidden. So you can select this option, tap on view album, verify yourself with Face ID or the passcode, and you should be able to open the hidden section. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.